Honest Industry is a leader in R&D, manufacturing, and sales of complete sets of high-quality rice equipment. Our company mainly develops and produces various sets of rice milling equipment and high-end grain machines, such as rice polisher and computer color sorters, which are exported to Southeast Asia and many African countries. Honest has independent research and development of core technology of combined rice mill, rice polishing machine, and other products. Our company has successfully obtained Agriculture Machinery Promotion Appraisal Certificate, ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, and EU CE certification. Honest 15 to 25 ton rice production line. It is mainly composed of multifunctional combined rice mill, secondary rice mill, water mist polishing machine, intelligent color sorter, white rice grading screen, computer vacuum packing machine, and other supporting equipment. The production line can produce 15 to 25 tons of organic, high-quality rice every day. It is suitable for small and medium-sized rice processing enterprises. The complete set of equipment is easy to install and operate. Even one person can complete the production. There are no special requirements for the plant and electricity. The installation can be customized according to the floor plan and layout of factory. Processing steps. Pour the raw materials into the hopper of elevator, which conveys the paddy to the inlet of the drum distilling machine. Second, raw materials can enter the cylinder sieve from the inlet. The paddy is allowed to enter the sorting chamber of the specific gravity storm removing machine from the sieve hole, and the strong magnet intercepts metal debris such as iron magnets, and the remaining debris is automatically discharged through the outlet. Third, after the first time cleaning, the paddy enters the second layer of distiller. Under the action of specific frequency vibration and mixed airflow, the grains with a lower specific gravity are suspended in the upper layer, and stones and glass with a higher density are sunk into the bottom. The stones can be automatically discharged from the storm outlet, and the grains flow into the double feeder hopper. Fourth, the grain is conveyed to the inlet of hulling machine through the double elevator. The brown rice is separated from the husk under the action of linear speed difference of the rubber roller. The husk is sucked into the pulverizer, which can grind the husk into the powder and discharge through the bran outlet. Grain separation screen uses the surface friction coefficient difference between the brown rice and the grain. Under the action of the horizontal and reciprocating movement of the separation plate, the grain mixture is gradually separated automatically. The brown rice go to the upper left of plate. The paddy go down the bottom right of plate and enter the huller through the double elevator. The gravity grain separation screen process repeatedly until all paddy are hulled. Sixth, brown rice enters the rice mill through the outlet of the grain separation screen. After the first rounding, the single elevator carries the rice to the second light rice milling machine, which makes a good quality white rice. This configuration not only has a good whitening effect, but also has a lower damage rate and rise temperature. Seventh, the white rice passes through the outlet of the secondary rice machine and enters the single elevator, then go into the rice water mist polishing machine. The polishing machine can not only polish the surface of the rice by friction, it can also remove rice bran and repair scratches on the surface of rice, thereby improving the storage performance and commercial value of rice. Eighth, the polished rice enters the single elevator and goes into the primary white rice grader for the first broken rice separation. The broken rice is separated and packed. The whole rice continues to enter the intelligent ultra color sorter. The color sorter uses CCD optical imaging scanning technology to digital identify heterochromatic particles and impurities in rice. The rice fell into the detection area of the CCD lens. The main control system of the color sorter analyzed and judged the rice flow based on the data collected by the CCD lens. The high-frequency solenoid valve is used to blow out the defective products and the heterochromatic particles in the rice flow. Ninth, white rice enters the single elevator through the outlet of intelligent ultra-color sorter. The white rice is transported to the white rice grader again, and the rice is classified and selected again. The rice can be divided into 4 grades: first grade rice, second grade rice, large broken rice, and small broken rice. 10th, after being graded, the first grade rice is conveyed to a vacuum packing machine. After quantitative bagging, the vacuum bags can reach the international standard. Honest rice machine, 15 to 25 tons complete refined rice production has advantages of low power, low energy consumption, large output, easy operation, low maintenance, wear resistance, fine rice bran, bright beige, and high rice yield. It is your good helper to get rich. Thank you for watching.